It's important to get a taste of what it's like to work in various media fields and start putting your classwork into practice. We have 5 student media organizations in the Park School, and they're open to all majors. ICTV is our student-run television channel. They broadcast on cable and also live stream. They produce more than 20 shows a week, everything from news and sports to game shows, scripted dramas, and even cooking shows. The Ithacan is our award-winning newspaper. It has weekly print editions and also digital versions. We have 2 radio stations, WICB-FM and VIC Radio. They're great opportunities to develop your confidence. You can enjoy sharing your favorite music or even go live with play-by-play sportscasting. The studio runs like a professional film studio. You can pitch ideas for films that we then fund. Park Productions is a professional production unit that produces media for local and national clients. You can get paid for your work. And finally, Park Promotions helps you develop your graphic design, event planning, and social media skills while helping to promote our school.
So the Ithacan has provided me with a lot of upward mobility and has really allowed me to figure out what I want for my journalism career. It's helped me strengthen my reporting, writing, and editing skills, and it's given me clips that have helped me secure internships during every summer I've had in college so far.
As a freshman, I got involved with ICTV, Ithaca College Television. It's our student-run TV station on campus, and I wanted to be talent, so around my sophomore years when I got my first talent position, although I could audition as a freshman, I wanted to learn the ropes a little bit, so I worked as writing and researchers. So my sophomore year, I finally became talent.
I work a lot with Park Productions, which is a student-staffed professional production company who works with real-world clients on a daily basis. The production company hires students to work on a wide array of productions, and I've served in a few different roles on set. I mainly work within the camera department, but recently I actually contracted with them on a project of my own that I wrote and directed.
During the first 2 weeks, there'll be recruitment nights for our student media. There you can learn about various opportunities and sign up to work on various radio or TV shows, get a reporting assignment from the Ithacan, learn how to pitch ideas for film with the studio, or get involved with events and social media strategy for the school with Park Promotions.